So today I'm going to give you the 5 things to do to start your day, and you can start them right now. You can start them tomorrow morning, and at the end I'm going to tell you how to put it all together and make it really practical and really easy, and it won't take long. You can spend 5 minutes, you can spend 15 minutes, but it'll be super easy to implement. So the first thing is water. As soon as you wake up in the morning, you've been fasting all night, your body has gone through detox and healing and repair and all the good things that it needs to do while you're sleeping. So as soon as you wake up, it's really wonderful to just have a big glass of water and sort of help filter out some of those toxins that have come out of the liver. The brain, the lungs, all the organs are detoxing. And if you want to add a pinch of sea salt or some lemon to, kind of spark digestion, kind of get the bowels moving, those are all really good things. But I would say at a minimum, just a big glass of water. The other thing is mindfulness. If you can create some type of ritual around thinking about how you want to start your day, whether it's a gratitude thought, or maybe it's a meditation or a prayer, or whatever your go-to is, to just bring yourself into the day in a positive way. Get your brain in a positive way. And so my third thing would be breathing. If you can take a deep breath as soon as you wake up, as soon as you get out of bed, get some oxygen to the brain, to the body. It's a really good way to tell the nervous system that you're safe and that you're okay. I really love Dr. Weil's 4-7-8 breathing. You breathe in for 4, hold for 7, and breathe out for 8. There's the boxed 4 or 4-box breathing, where it's in for 4, hold for 4, out for 4. That's pretty easy too to remember. Any way you can just kind of get your body oxygenated is just really powerful. And you can do that throughout the day. If you are in a stress mode and you're kind of holding your breath, or you're concentrating on work or focusing on something going on, breathing is just a really nice way to kind of tell your body, take a chill, do it before you eat, so that your body is in sort of a rest and digest mode, and it can better assimilate and break down all the nutrients in your body. It's just a really good tool to kind of just teach your brain to go to, because over time it can be sort of automatic, where you don't actually have to tell yourself to do it. If you get into a stressful mode, your body will kind of automatically start to go through those breathing techniques and try to, just calm your system. The next thing in the morning to do is a stretch. You've been in the bed for, hopefully 8 to 10 hours, and it's a really good way to kind of get the blood flowing to the muscles and just get your body kind of moving. If you can go for a walk or do some sort of exercise, that's even better. But at a minimum, get down on the floor and stretch, or even before you get out of bed, give your back a stretch, give your legs a stretch, just pull your knees up to your chest, whatever it might be, whatever feels good. Just kind of get that blood flowing and kind of telling your body it's time to wake up. And number 5, really important thing, is get some natural light into your face, into your eyes, whether it's walking outside, or just sticking your head out the door, the window, to see some natural light, or just opening a window, opening the shade, to basically tell your circadian rhythm, tell your brain it's morning, you're awake, because that's when your circadian clock sort of starts. And so by getting that light into your eyes, getting it into your face and onto your body, it's just a really great way, again, to wake up the body. If you can be outside and have some really good sunshine in your face, even if it's the right time of year, you can have it on your skin for some vitamin D first thing in the morning. That's even better. So if a really good way to incorporate all these things, here's what I would recommend. If you have a place in your bedroom, after you go to the restroom first thing, maybe get a little mat or a yoga mat, or just somewhere that you can kind of designate as your spot. Open a blind, get some new light in, open a window, maybe would be even better. Get your water, have your water just right there. You could even do it the night before. Have your water ready to go right near your mat, or a place designated in your bedroom or in a central location that's easy. You can, so what I would recommend, or what I like to do, is have, in my bedroom I have a mat, so I immediately open the blinds. That's what I do all over my house. Have a big glass of water, and I like the Pigeon Stretch. It's where your shin is kind of in front of you, and one leg is in front, one leg's in back. Anything that you like, you can lay on your back and pull your knees in, like I mentioned. But I get in the pigeon pose, and I like to turn on, there's a meditation app that I like. It's like a 5-minute meditation. I'm happy to share it with you guys. I'll provide the link below. So I'm stretching, I'm kind of doing a quick little meditation, and I'm doing my breath, I'm getting the light in on me, and I've had my water. So I've had all the wonderful things to kind of start the day, and literally it can take 5 minutes. It could take less than that. It takes me 5 because of the meditation video that I really like. But you could make it whatever you want. You could change it up every day. You can make it different. But I highly recommend trying to get into a routine. Write it down, put it on a sticky note, put it in your phone. You can put a reminder on your phone. You can put a reminder on your bathroom mirror maybe, or in wherever your clothes are once you get dressed first thing in the morning. It's just a really great way to just make sure you're starting the day taking care of yourself, So it's water, it's mindfulness, breathing, stretching, some type of movement, and light. So I would love to hear if you start to incorporate these things and how you're feeling, if it, makes a shift for you. I know it has for me in my life, and I think it's just a really nice way to just take care of yourself and start the day on a really great note.